Hey guys, welcome back to the Cocktail Kitchen. Next to me is Valentin, who you already know, but my name is Rianne. I'm the head of events at the HIVE. It's an international co-working space. So normally I'll be on the other side of the camera, doing all the live videos with the online series and hosting all the events. Today we're gonna make a Passionfruit Daiquiri. I'm a big fan of Passionfruit, so I would like to make this with you guys. So let's start with cutting the Passionfruit. I'll grab 3 and I will cut them in half. Meantime, if you can, I grab them up and put them in here. We'll store them all there.
Already smells nice, huh?
It's amazing. That's great. Do you have something as well to use?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, give it a spoon.
Yeah. So like, fast forward.
So we're scooping
all
up
three,
passion fruits
right?
here, guys. I like passion fruit daiquiri because it gives a nice acidity.
Perfecto. We'll start with 50 ml of rum.
Yeah. It was not full enough.
Because otherwise I will spill. It's like clumsy me. Next up, we do have some lime juice. Why do we use lime juice?
Well, we'll balance the sweetness because we'll add a bit of sugar syrup as well to lift up the flavors. And you'll always want some acidity in there.
We use a little bit,
we
right?
get
We
some
use
acidity.
15 ml.
Yes.
15 ml of the sugar water.
Sugar syrup.
We will have 15 ml of the sugar syrup.
Yeah.
Nice. For some sweetness. This looks good.
The passion fruits.
Yeah. I'll stir it a little bit to like let it breathe a little bit. We'll add some extra flavor to it. 50 ml. Ooh,
Oh,
that's nice.
good.
Super excited. We're gonna do dry.
This could work great in a blender as well.
Oh yeah.
But that's like a tip for next time.
So now we have inside 50 ml of rum.
Yeah.
We have 15 ml of lime juice and 15 ml of sugar syrup.
I like that sound effect.
Am I doing a sound effect?
That was a really good sound effect, yeah.
And of course we have 15 ml of passion fruit.
Nice. We have our glasses here, like beautiful glasses.
Cool.
Nice and chilled.
And let's
Okay.
yeah, so maybe some is stuck at the house and you don't want to like waste any of the nice cocktail we just made. The glass is a little bit tinted, so you might not see the real color of the cocktail.
How's it going?
It's really good.
So we can garnish this, or we can just go ahead and enjoy it.
Okay, so how we say it in Thailand, chai.
Yo!
Cheers.
Cheers. This is great, Rianne. Refreshing. Right?
Amazing.
A bit tangy. The rum gives a nice sweetness. How do you like it?
I could drink this every morning. This is great.
Passion fruit daiquiris, guys.
ChaiYo, thanks for watching, and next time we probably will host one of these at the HIVE.
Yeah.
So keep your eyes open and to welcome Valentin at the HIVE. See you guys.
Cheers.